Clark County residents care about recycling right. Part of how we help residents reduce confusion is by taking a deep dive of recycling once a year called a residual study. This gives us a snapshot of what garbage is left over after paper, metal, and plastic bottles, tubs, and jugs are separated out. Let's take a look at the good, the bad, and the ugly of what we find and why it's important for our community.
So today we're here to do a waste characterization residue study. We do this once a year. We take material from single-family households in both City of Vancouver and the greater Clark County area, as well as from multi-family properties across Clark County. We take samples from the garbage line in the recycling section, the end of the line after everything has been sorted, recycling has been sorted, and the material from the screens. We hand pick 300 pounds, 100 pounds per sample, and physically separate it out by hand, weigh it, and see what percentage of material is either recyclable or shouldn't have been there in the first place. Hi, my name is Meg Johnson. I'm a waste reduction educator with Waste Connections of Washington. We're at West Van, the materials recovery facility here in Vancouver, Washington. And today we're doing a waste characterization study. This study is an opportunity for us to understand what residents of Clark County are trying to recycle that aren't supposed to be recyclable, and how our machines are doing, how our line sorters are doing, how our entire system of recycling is doing in Clark County. So we're here inside of West Van Materials Recovery Facility. Behind me we're looking at the paper line, which they take away material that's not supposed to be in the recycling cart. We have a whole section on this side for cardboard recycling, as well as plastic containers and metal. Once everything is separated out, it gets pushed over into our baling machine, put into bales, and then sold to recyclers to reprocess. So the reason that we conduct this study is for education. We both want to be able to educate the public in Clark County as to what can and what cannot go into the recycle carts at home and at multifamily properties, as well as educating our line sorters, our material sorters, to know what to look for, what to separate out. We also use all of this data that we collect on a yearly basis to educate the public in all of our presentations, online, and any kind of educational piece that we utilize here at Waste Connections. We are right in the middle between households and the end of the line for recycling. We have the capability of seeing what's there and educating the public directly about what they put into their carts at home. Things that we find commonly in household recycling that should not be there are wood, styrofoam, shredded paper, fridge and freezer boxes, so paper boxes that are designed to go into the fridge or freezer, those should not be there, as well as putting glass in the blue recycle cart. Glass should always be put on the side of the cart instead. Clark County residents, more than anything, make sure you know what's supposed to go into your recycle cart. Ask an educator, ask the solid waste team at Clark County, find out what's supposed to be there. And secondly, empty, clean, and dry. When you place something in your recycle cart, make sure that it's empty, it's cleaned out, and it's dry. It's a huge component to making this system in Clark County better. And the more you can do that, the better our system will be.
Solid Waste Regional Planning and Programs are a cooperative effort in Clark County. For more information on recycling tips, please visit www.clarkgreenneighbors.com/recycling.